Schade has been driving a taxi in Frankfurt for 20 years. He knows the city's ups and downs, the mood amongst his customers, especially bankers.
I can't say it's gotten worse, because they still go out. They take taxis, they eat out, they go to clubs. I haven't really noticed that there was a big economic crisis.
Next we asked a jeweler. Are Frankfurt's bankers big spenders again? For watches like this one, maybe, with a price tag of 60,000 euros?
Yes. In our business, the answer is definitely yes. The crisis is over, and the mood is improving every day. The things we sell have a lot to do with mood. A person has to feel pretty good to come to us. And also, you're buying something that will retain its value in the future. Kauft man sich auch eine sichere Wertanlage für Zukunft.
Next year, the jeweler intends to open a second store, bigger than this one, and in the prime location of Frankfurt Airport.
It makes us a bit envious, of course, so we probably see things differently. But if that's how someone makes his money and makes the bank profitable, then let them have their bonuses. They'll spend it. They're good at that.
The government hasn't been shy about spending either. It invested 18 billion euros to save Commerzbank from going under. It also put a lid on pay for top bankers. Now the bank has imposed stricter rules for bonuses. But they're not willing to discuss the matter on camera. Our next stop, the Frankfurt Stock Exchange. Lunchtime at a wine stand.
Banks are doing better again in Frankfurt, and bankers' bonuses relate to performance. We shouldn't forget that many bankers start with a very low base pay, so they depend on bonuses to make money. Otherwise, they wouldn't be able to cover their costs.
Taxi driver Rolf Schade doesn't even want to think about how many years he'd have to work to earn a banker's base pay. Never mind the bonuses.
Well, what happens if they screw things up, like last year with Lehman Brothers? That's a bit too much. I mean, I don't get anything for doing bad work.
And Rolf Schade says that's how it should be for bankers too.